Welcome to your 5-minute beginner's guide to meditation for a positive and productive day. Make yourself comfortable, whether you're sitting or lying down, either is fine. Bring your awareness to this present moment. There's nothing else that needs your attention. Focus your awareness on the here and the now, and settle in. Bring your attention to the rise and fall of your chest. Wonderful. Conscious awareness is the key to a positive and productive day. Today you will be more consciously aware of your thoughts, your vibration, and your feelings. You will check in with yourself throughout the day and ask yourself, how am I feeling in this moment? What sort of thoughts am I thinking? Is this how I want to feel? If you are not in alignment and in high vibration, take a moment to recenter and focus upon something that brings you joy. So for a brief moment, bring to the forefront of your mind a memory or situation that has brought you immense joy, excitement, happiness. Well done. Now that you are embodying these good feelings, I want you to set your intention for the day. What is your goal? How will you know at the end of the day that you are satisfied, that it was productive, and that it was positive? Set that intention right now. Now visualize yourself going about your day, each chunk of time, each moment of your day, until evening. And as you visualize yourself, visualize calm, peace, happiness, yet productive all at the same time. Very well. Your physical reality is a result of your intention and what you have visualized for your life and your day. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Breathe in deeply and exhale fully. Breathe in deeply and exhale fully. Now, go out and enjoy the positive and productive day that you have created. And I'll see you back here tomorrow.